What's up, guys? It's June 5th, 2024. Had a pretty nice trend day. Only touched the EMA 3 times. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. And many legs in between. Where are we on the daily chart? A couple days ago, on last Friday, Bulls had a nice outside bar on the EMA. It's the first time the Bulls touched the EMA after the breakout channel and range phase. So, daily Bulls have been waiting to buy this EMA for a while. 45-minute chart looks pretty nice. Where are we today? So this is today's bar. First 45 minutes was a sell. 2-bar reversal. We had a gap up, and then we just trended higher for today. We have leg 1, opposite bar, leg 2, opposite bar, leg 3. So yeah, let's get, this is a continuation of yesterday's bar. 33 broke out, raced into a new high of the day, and reversed lower, but closed above the EMA. Today we had a gap up. Bar 1 is bad follow through. Bar 1 is bad follow through though. Bar 2 also bad follow through. So this is not good for the Bulls. It looks like I was kind of under the impression it could be a bearish reversal and would sell off into the EMA. I didn't get short though. 2 bear bars. We have a gap up. 2 bear bars. Bar 3 looks like a pullback. Bar 4 testing the high, the middle of bar 1, and it reverses into bar 2's low. So there are more sellers than buyers above the EMA. Bar 3, bears go for a new low, but close 1 tick below bar. Excuse me, this is bar 4. This is bar 5. Bar 4. Bar 6 is another pullback, and bar 7, the market dumps into the EMA but reverses up. So there we have, now we have a leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. The wedge bottom. So if you can't see what I'm talking about, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, pullback leg 4 into the EMA. And bar 9 looks like bears get no continuation below the EMA. Bar 9, Bulls are buying the EMA. This is the first time they get to buy at the average moving price since the gap up. So this is the first touch today. Bad for the Bears, good for the Bulls. Bar 10, another good sign for the Bulls. Bulls are buying the high of bar 9. Although it doesn't close, it closes below the high of bar 9. Bar 11 looks like it's a breakout bar. We're breaking above bar 10, bar 8's swing high. So this is bearish right here, this high. But Bulls break above that and close above it. So that's good for them. Bar 12 again is follow through, but it's not a good close. We close within bar 11's range, and then bar 13 breaks out. We close bar 1's high is 28 even. Bar 14's high is 29.50. So we traded higher and we closed higher. Bar 1's high is 28. Bar 14's close is 28.50. So we closed 2 ticks above it and we traded higher. So that's good for the Bulls. Bar 16, bad follow through, but look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 bull channels, 5 bull candles. So I think it's better. The probability of seeing more bullish pressure is higher than bearish right now. If you're thinking about bar 15 being a reversal double top, bears got chapped. We're breaking out above yesterday's range, so more bullish. And the market starts to trend higher. We have a leg 1, bar 15 pullback, leg 2 pullback, leg 3, and the market goes sideways here, creates another bull flag. So we have a leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, sideways, and then we have another leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Then we have a leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. We have a leg 1, pull back into the EMA, leg 2. That's not the best way to count it, but that's the first time it. I would count it leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. So there's an opposite bar right here too, but it doesn't make a new. It does make a new low, so it does break this trend line here. Pullback, leg 2, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Deeper pullback creates another leg 2. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2. That makes sense. So it's fractal. There's a lot. Leg counting is a little bit confusing. It's a breakout day, so we could just do measured moves instead. So measured move of the range works. We could do bars 9 to 13 worked. Almost got 2R of that. You make it a little more tight, we probably did get. So yeah, Bulls pretty much got 2R of the spike. See, the low of bar 9 to the high of bar 14 kind of barely body to body. Close enough. You know, it's a rough guess. It's just to keep you on the right side of things. More bullish pressure. There's a big gap from bars 9 to bar 45. There's a gap, so that's over 2 hours of trading. 7 to 9. It's about 7:10 to 10:15. So the Bulls haven't had a chance to buy the EMA in over 3 hours. They buy the EMA, the first touch, and then go again for another leg. Really nice day for the Bulls. There was a trend day. I think there was a lot of bullish pressure stacking up, breakout channel, trading range, pull back into the EMA. Look at the wicks of these two bars right here. Bearish close, but bullish pressure. Bullish close doesn't break out far enough, but then look at this bar. Today's bar is a strong breakout. We're breaking out past the previous bar's range. However, the close is just 1 point away. This bar's high is 71-ish, and today's close was 66. Oh no, today's high was 67. So we were 3 points away from the high. Right here, see that on the 45-minute chart. So that'll be interesting to see what happens on Thursday and Friday to see if Bulls keep going or do we consolidate. I'm actually more on the side of that we consolidate because expansion, contraction. Every time we go up, we have an expansion, contraction. Big bar, sideways, 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 sideways, big bar. Had another good range day, but it still went sideways. Then we went sideways for a while. We are getting extended away from the EMA, but we have a lot of bullish pressure. So who knows what happens? Maybe the Bulls keep trading higher. Maybe we go sideways for a little bit. Let me know how you guys are doing. I did all right today. Just trying to take small chunks out the market and make it to the payout. Because I really want to get paid and get this ball rolling and move out. So yeah, have a good one, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thank you for your support. Bye.